Hey everyone, welcome back. Check out these sunflowers that we planted almost 2 months ago. Even inside the box, they still stand over 6 feet tall. Here's a reminder of what we've been up to this past month. This is a storage closet in Isabel's bedroom. We are going to blow through this wall. The vanity is right here. We're going to remove this wall. That's where the toilet's going to be. We're going to add some extra square footage. Once we got the space filled in, it didn't take long to figure out what else we wanted to do. We looked up old farmhouses, and they always had a vanity in the bedroom, which is perfect for a teenage daughter. Now we just have to paint and maneuver things around. We also got a chance to paint that bathroom door. Outside of the house, Gentry is making life a little bit easier for the chickens. We had to move the chicken house. And back there, a little closer. We built the quail house behind it. Checking out our new home. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.